And I used to tell them, when you have tonsillitis, you tend to give penicillin. But one thing is very clear, penicillin doesn't give reaction of its own unless it is contaminated. Please keep in mind, we should know allopathy very well. We should allopathy also very well when we are practicing homeopathy for diagnosis point of view and its side effects point of view and antidote point of view. So when I gave this Aconite to GPs, from then onwards my practice started, and it proved after giving not only penicillin, when they used to give sometimes contaminated B complex also, they used to get anaphylactic reaction. Just 2 drops, patient is out. That is the suddenness of Aconite. Similarly, it happened once lately. Dr. Khanna, Sanjeev Khanna, a good physician, he gave tetanus. But unfortunately, it was the evening, I couldn't get my camera. Otherwise, it was such a beautiful scene that the patient had completely cyanosed with the fingers all becoming blue. And you should have, if I would have had a camera, it would have been worth taking the photograph, because as I was putting 1 drop, the cyanosis would reduce. Second drop after 5 minutes, reduce. And after 5 doses, the patient was totally conscious. So this is to prove homeopathy, what is the suddenness of Aconite and how homeopathy is fast. Not only that, next, the other example I can give you, this, go on, good. This is how I wanted to say about the anaphylactic reaction. Fine, come, next. So, next. This is just, this is one more thing, that Aconite was my find in a case. Of course, it was in the book and I could correlate it. But in spite of all that, there is one book, one medicine in Boric, which is called as Torula. But it is said very clearly that, see, he has written very clearly, it is on experimental basis, it can be introduced, but he has used one word, proteins which are contaminated, protein-induced anesthesia and enzymes. So it is not that Boric doesn't have. Boric is another great Bible. I say it's my Gita. So if you try to find these books, I've tried this medicine, but this works more on Stevens-Johnson syndrome. Stevens-Johnson syndrome means when you give any antibiotic, the person gets reaction to such an extent that you feel as if he's totally burned with blebs. It's unbearable sight. Try Torula 30, it works. So homeopathy has medicine. Why I'm trying to speak on this? Because till date, wherever I've attended any seminars of any seniors, and when the question goes, sir, is there any treatment for anaphylactic reaction? The senior most gentleman, whose photo is here, he used to say, no, I don't have. It's wrong. It has. Okay, next. Yeah, I used to say. The other best example of suddenness is what? Acute cardiac infarct. That is the true suddenness. Don't give it to chronic cardiac failures. If a person has history that he got attack here, start. And how to prove on the monitor. Next. See, the most important thing in our days was extrasystoles. More than 5 extrasystoles per minute means the patient is critical. Nowadays, that concept is also gone. They say if the blood pressure is stable, everything is normal. Extrasystole now they treat like a dirt. That can be treated anytime because they have got now medicine for arrhythmias. But in Aconite, when you give Aconite, as you give Aconite in the cardioscope, you can monitor the extrasystoles, reducing within 10 minutes out of 5 it becomes 3, and the person becomes stable. That is the beauty of Aconite. Recently, I had an attack. They started giving me NGT. See, however great homeopath or a staunch homeopath you are, at the critical stage you run to this ICC only. And people don't speak that. I speak the truth. I ran. But I told them, NGT will not work because I am a case of hypertension. And they used to give, after 3 minutes, it used to become hardly 60 by 40. Then I called my assistant, I told him, get Aconite. Aconite stabilized, I got it stented next day. So I had to do stenting because otherwise climbing first floor, second floor, unnecessarily there is a tension behind it. So why not do it? Like in olden days, I used to treat cataract eye diseases because my Guruji was Dr. K. Prahlad and he was an eye surgeon. But now is it fair to treat cataract when you can finish in 3 minutes phycoemulsification? Now Ozel has come. In 3 minutes you are out, you are fine. So why should you go for homeopathy? So let us improve ourselves. Let us try to combine it. What is good and what is feasible, what is practicable. But today also, Aconite is one of the best medicine for cardiac infarct that I can vouch on. Next. At the same time, when in that phase, in that particular phase when the person goes into, when he has an attack, supposing he has an attack, RBB or LBH, etc., in the process, supposing he had got one acute, cardiac arrest, then they give defibrillator. All this thing can lead to left ventricular failure. Now, what is the choice of medicine? Can you tell me, please? That is why I have come here to say certain medicines which we don't know, which we give regularly to cheat the patients. You got my mind? We give 1 dose of medicine, then what we give? Placebo. Please, next. Sacrum officinalis is prepared from placebo, and that is the best medicine for left ventricular failure in that particular phase. And it works. Here, you people are not questioning me. I have not said any other symptoms. I am giving you diagnostic symptoms. See, why I am trying to tell you, I have seen very senior people, I respect them. When they speak, when they want to present a case, then they say the patient aged so and so from that area, this area, he has come here, gave this symptom, that symptom, lied on the left side, right side, everything. Went on saying, and then ultimately comes to the conclusion because of one medicine. For example, I asked one senior man, oncologist of homeopathy, sir, why do you give calcarea carb? The answer was very simple. If sulfur is the king of homeopathy, calcarea is the queen. Is this the answer? Queen. But sir, सब queen को तो नहीं शादी कर सकते ना. तो why you are giving everybody? सब तो आराम से बांट रहे हो. Queen को बांटा जा रहा है. So what I mean is, be frank. You say this is specific. Like he gives chenopodium for Meniere's disease. Why? He doesn't know. It's worth, but it works. He gives natramur 1 dose per month and hydrocortisone 0/1 2 times a day for lupus erythematosus. It works. But when you ask him what is the cause, he doesn't know. He doesn't want to give it because he doesn't know. Can he not tell this is the specific? No. By saying that, he becomes the inferior man. No, I have taken history. So that is what I have come to avoid here. What is the fact? Let us speak the fact. Whether you like it, you don't like it, this is not my subject. I am practicing on diabetic foot. But this I have gone through myself from 1977 till 85. And this I have tried successfully in the ICC. Next. For this medical emergency, once again, there is one beautiful pamphlet written by Dr. Great P. Shankaran. I repeat, P. Shankaran, my guru. He was our teacher. He used to teach us repertory. Great genius gentleman. He has reproduced this Borland's medical emergency, which is not now in the market.